You can't go wrong with any of these DIY ideas, especially if you waited until the last minute. Your Facebook and Instagram feed and your wallet will vote yes to these too. Hi, my name is Abby and welcome to the O'Hares. Halloween always sneaks up on us fast and it's easy to lose track of time, especially if you're a busy mom like me. Luckily, I got these last minute Halloween costume ideas for your kids that will inspire you to create your next DIY projects, and they won't take much time to make. It's easy to throw these creative looks on your list together with just a few accessories and a little makeup. So what are we waiting for? Let's get to it! The first pair of costumes that I will show you is doing aerobics. These are things that your kids probably already have. First is for my son. Tank top, arm sleeves used by athletes, headband, shorts, and socks. For my daughter, spandex pants, onesie. It could be just a tank top depending on how old your child is. Another headband, 2 pairs of socks, this one's to wear and one I will cut to use as wristbands. This is everything I will use for this costume. And here are my workout buddies! Now we will go into the dentist and tooth fairy costumes. Here's what we will be using. For the dentist costume, this is my son's dress-up work uniforms we got him for his birthday on Amazon. It comes with several different occupation outfits, and the link is below if you're interested. Now for the tooth fairy costume, here's my daughter's tutu skirt, a white onesie, and her white fur vest. We also got this cute little crown that we will be using for her cake smash photo shoot. What's a fairy without her magic wand? In order to make a wand, we're gonna need a cardboard, a sheet of white paper, and a straw that I have taped at the end. I'm using a straw because it is soft and safe for my almost a year-old daughter, but you can also use something harder as appropriate for your child's age. We will use a pen and a pair of scissors too. So now let's make the wand. First, I fold the paper in half and draw the shape of a tooth. Then cut it. I forgot to mention, but we also need glue to make this. Separate the 2 pieces of the tooth and glue it to the cardboard. I cut the outline of the tooth with a cardboard glued to it to make it sturdy. After doing it to both sides, I'm gonna connect it to the straw. I forgot to mention again that I'm gonna be using spray adhesive to connect them to the straw. I'm very forgetful these days. This spray actually works very well, but you can also use glue, double-sided tape, or anything you have that can connect them to the straw. There you have it! Here they are, the tooth fairy and the tooth remover. It's time for a deep dive verse. These are the items that I use for these costumes. First, two 2-liter bottles of soda. These are still full because we don't really drink a lot of soda. We also need black duct tape and scissors, rope, two 1-liter bottles of soda that we have emptied because my daughter is still small. For my son, he needs swimming goggles, black t-shirt, and black pants. And my daughter needs swimming goggles too, black onesie, and black pants. Let's start by cutting the rope for the shoulder straps. I guess when you're a mom, you're too familiar with your kids that you don't have to measure the length anymore. But of course you can check on beforehand. Now I attach the rope to the bottle using the duct tape. Now that I have attached the rope for the shoulder straps, the next step is just purely for design. Now I connect the two bottles together, still using the duct tape. This is it, and I'll use the same process to create my sons. Ready to dive for candies! Hashtag filter and hashtag no filter. When using this theme, it's important that both kids have similar outfits. These are based on what we have available, and you can use whatever you have also. First, I have matching hats, white t-shirts, and jeans. For the tags, we will use 2 sheets of papers I printed with hashtag filter and hashtag no filter. Cardboard backing, glue, masking tape, scissors, and twine. Now let's make the tag. Glue the sheets of paper to the cardboard and trim them. I cut the twine to the length that I can hang them from my kids' necks as a sign. and connect it to the cardboard using the masking tape. I used the same process for both of them. And voila! Just based on the picture, I got the sign on the wrong kid. Last costumes for this video, we're gonna make a campfire and marshmallows on a stick. For the campfire, we will need brown pants to match the color of firewoods, a red shirt to match the color of fire. You can use orange or yellow as well. Masking tape, spray adhesive, cardboard, yellow and orange thick paper, and also brown. We're also going to use a black cloth ribbon. For the marshmallows on stick, we're going to recycle straws we got from food delivery and cotton balls. We're now going to create the campfire, attaching the cloth ribbon to the cardboard using masking tape. This is going to be the belt that will attach the campfire to my son. Let's create the fire by folding the thick yellow paper into 3 and cut out the shape of flame. Now the same process is used for the orange paper. I will then attach the flames to the cardboard, alternating colors using the spray adhesive. Now it's time to make the firewoods by cutting the brown paper into the shape of log. Then attach them also using the spray adhesive to the base of the cardboard, creating a campfire. Here it is! And after it dries, I cut away the excess cardboard. Now that the campfire is complete, we have to create the marshmallow sticks for roasting. Using the spray adhesive, I connect the cotton to the straw. You can use any stick-like material, but I choose straws for the safety of my almost a year-old daughter because it's soft and won't hurt her. And there you have it, marshmallows on the sticks. As you can see, he's so hot, she's roasting her marshmallows. Before you start filling up your Amazon cart or rush to the craft store, take a closer look at what you already own because most of these costume ideas on our list are simply just elevated version of what your kids already have hanging in their closet. That being said, we invite you to come back to the O'Hares to catch the second part of this video. So before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified when we upload it. Thank you for watching and see you again!
the family stuff, the matters.